Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to make brownies. So for the ingredients to make brownies, you need the chocolate powder. It should come in the box, just like this, and it says the ingredients, all you need is on the back. You need vegetable oil, an egg, and like a tablespoon to put the oil and the water in. So the first thing we're going to do is put the powder into the bowl. The next thing you are going to do, you are going to crack the egg into the bowl. Now you're going to get your tablespoon and get 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. The next thing you are going to do, you are going to use the same spoon and fill up with 2 tablespoons of water. Once you put your 2 tablespoons of water into the bowl, you are going to mix it. Once your bowl looks like this, you are ready to put it in the pan. So you're going to get your pan. This is an 8x8 glass pan you can put in the oven. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. The next step is that you are going to pour your mixture into the square pan. Now it is time to clean up your area. So the oven should have beat by now. You're going to put the pan in for 20 to 25 minutes. And then you're going to check it with a toothpick and check if it's good on the inside. This is what the final product should look like.